Emotional intelligence, often called EQ, is one of the most important and overlooked drivers of learning. It's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions and respond effectively to the emotions of others. In adult education, emotional intelligence shapes how learners show up, how they engage, and how they grow. Think about it. A learner who can manage frustration stays motivated. A learner who can empathize with peers collaborates better. A facilitator who reads the room can adapt in real time. Emotions don't sit outside of learning, they sit at the center of it. They influence attention, memory, motivation, and decision-making. If we ignore emotion, we ignore the brain's most powerful learning system. So how can we bring emotional intelligence into adult learning? First, create a safe environment. Adults need to feel respected, seen, and heard. Psychological safety is the foundation for participation and risk-taking. Second, model emotional intelligence as an educator. Be aware of your own tone, reactions, and presence. Name emotions when they show up and guide learners through them. Third, build self-awareness into the learning process. Encourage reflection. What did I feel during this activity? What triggered it? How did I respond? Reflection deepens both emotional and cognitive growth. Fourth, integrate social learning. Let learners collaborate, give feedback, and support each other. Learning in community builds empathy, communication, and trust. Fifth, acknowledge emotional barriers. Fear of failure, perfectionism, or past trauma can block learning. Normalize struggle, celebrate persistence, reframe mistakes as part of the process. Also, tie content to purpose. Adults are more engaged when learning aligns with what they value and believe in. When content feels meaningful, emotions come alive, and so does motivation. And finally, build emotional skills directly. Include activities on active listening, perspective taking, resilience, and emotional regulation. These aren't side skills, they're core competencies. When we weave emotional intelligence into adult education, we create learning that's deeper, stronger, and more lasting. Because we're not just teaching content, we're supporting growth. We're not just shaping minds, we're connecting hearts. And that's where true transformation begins.